It's time for a Legal Minute with the Law Office of Cooley Shrair in Springfield, and today we're joined by attorney Susan Mielnikowski, and we're talking about starting a business. Are there special issues and considerations that you need to make in terms of estate planning when considering your business?
There are. When we're working with a client who has an established family business or a close business, we have to talk about the ideas of what would happen if you couldn't manage your day-to-day activities, payroll, ordering supplies, even turning the lights on. Who would do that for you if you were incompetent or unable to do it? It's a discussion we need to have. Oftentimes it's a different person from the person who would be doing your household bills and your day-to-day power of attorney items. So that's the first discussion. The second discussion is what would happen to this business if you were gone? If you were passed away, would somebody continue it? Would it need to be liquidated? Is there something that we should be doing to continue the business? Are there other people who would buy it? A discussion and a dialogue that we need to have in order to figure out how to plan for that person.
Now, here's one situation that would seem tricky to me. Let's say you have 3 children and you want just one of them to continue running the business. How does that factor in? That doesn't seem like a comfortable conversation.
It's not. It's a very common situation, and oftentimes the income and the asset of the family is really sitting in that business. And if there's one child that's a member of the business and operating in it, you want that child to inherit so it continues. It's a difficulty we have in planning. One of the common things we do is to buy an insurance policy on the business owner so that there's a cash generated. If they pass away, we can use that cash to compensate with the other children in their plan. It's really a dialogue you just need to start and figure it all out depending on how their situation plays.
Well, I think that's really important to emphasize. A lot of these conversations that you have to have nearing the end of your life when you're retirement planning, they're not easy conversations, but if you get the dialogue going, inevitably life will get easier.
Exactly.
Susan, thank you for joining us. That's your Legal Minute, and for more information, just call 413-781-0750 or just visit CooleyShrair.com.